Good morning, everyone. Today you will have a quiz. This quiz is in photos. Okay. I posted on Google Classroom. You have today, and I will grade it at night. Okay. Let's discuss some questions. You may find some like this in your quiz. The first one: what is the vertex of the quadratic equation given? Let me write an equation for you. This equation is y equal minus or negative open parentheses x minus 3 square plus 7. What is the vertex for this quadratic equation? First, this quadratic equation is in vertex form. We call this form is a vertex form. Okay? So how can we find the vertex from this one? This is the easiest form you can find the vertex from it. The vertex is the number inside here and this one. This x coordinate, but this is the inverse of the number. Okay, that means this is negative 3. So the x coordinate of the vertex was 3. Take the inverse of this one. And the outside number here is 7. This is the y coordinate. So the vertex is 3 comma 7. And you know that the quadratic equation, when you graph it, it looks like a parabola, maybe open up or down. For this question, it's open down. How do we know that? Because the negative sign here means the vertex at 3 comma 7 and it will be open down because the coefficient of x squared will be negative. Okay, so the vertex is 3 comma 7. How can we get this? Take the number inside parentheses, but different sign. If this negative, the x coordinate, this is x and y, you know that. The x coordinate will be positive. If this is positive, the x will be negative. The number outside will be the same. 7, take it 7. If it's negative, take it negative. This is the vertex. Another question. Look at this graph and choose from these choices which one is the equation of this graph for this graph. Okay, the most easy thing to do is to read this vertex. What is the vertex? Yes, negative 2. This is negative 2 and 1 means negative 2 comma 1. This is the negative. Okay, sorry, this is the vertex. What is the vertex from this one? We know how to find the vertex. We just learned how to find the vertex in question 1. How can you find the vertex for this one? And you have to uh, notice something before choose any of these choices. This parabola is open down. Okay, that means you have negative sign in front of x squared. So if we look here, this is negative sign in the third option and the fourth option. Negative, and this is negative. That means these two will open down. One of them will be correct. But this is positive. The first and the second are positive. Means it will open up. It looks like this. So the first and the second is not correct. We will not think about them. We think about the third and the fourth. What is the vertex from the third one? Take the number inside, but the inverse. It's negative, so the x coordinate will be positive. The outside number, take it as it is. It's positive. 2 comma 1. Let's see the last choice. 2, take the inverse. It will be negative. 1 will be as it is. So the inside number, the number inside the parentheses, take the inverse. It's positive, take negative. It's the outside number, take it as it is. So which one is the vertex? Said that the vertex is negative 2, 1. This vertex is negative 2, 1. So the fourth option is correct. The fourth option is the correct answer. Let's see another question. Third one. Okay. What is the equation of axis of symmetry of the equation? Let me write an equation for you. Y equals negative x minus 1 minus 3. Okay. This is, oh, sorry, there is square here. Don't forget this. Okay, this is the equation is in vertex form, and we need the equation of axis of symmetry. The axis of symmetry, this will be open down, by the way. Parabola opens down. Okay, and the axis of symmetry should pass through the vertex. Okay, pass through the vertex. So we should know what is the vertex. Okay, what is the vertex from this one? The vertex, take the number inside as the inverse. This is negative, it will be positive. The outside, take it as it is. If it's negative, take it negative. This is the vertex. This is the x value or the x coordinate. This is the y coordinate. The axis of symmetry is the x coordinate. X equals 1. This is the equation of the axis of symmetry. Okay, so the axis of symmetry will pass through x equals 1. Okay, this is the axis of symmetry will pass through x equals 1. Sorry. Okay, let's see another example. Number 4. In which form is the quadratic equation given? We have 3 forms for quadratic equation. The first form is what we can say that y equals 3 x squared minus 2 x or plus 5, whatever. This equation is in standard form. Standard form. If something x squared x, the constant, it's arranged from the largest power to the smaller. This is standard form. Okay, if I give you something like this, y equals 2 times x minus 1 squared plus 3, something square here, then the constant, that means this is the vertex form. And the form is equal to 2 factors plus 3 and sorry, x plus 3 multiplied x minus 1. This is factor form. We have 2 factors, so we call it factor form. So you have 3 forms. You will find one of them in your quiz, and you have to say it's a standard form, vertex form, or factor. Okay, study these 3 forms for the quadratic function. The last question will look like this. What is the x coordinate of the vertex of the quadratic? But this time I'll give you 2x squared minus 8x plus 5. I want the x coordinate, okay, but this time this is a standard form. I just said this is a standard form, not vertex form. To find the x coordinate of the vertex, we know that the vertex is x, y. I need the x value for the vertex, okay? The x value for the vertex, we can find it by using this form, and we studied before last week, negative b or 2a. Find this. This is the x coordinate. What is b and what is a? From your equation, the first number here, the coefficient of x squared is a. This is b. Of course, this is C, but we will not use it here. We have A and B. We need negative B. Negative B. B is negative 8. That means we have negative 8. Negative B means negative 8. 2 times A is 2. So we have 8 divided by 4 equals 2. This is the x coordinate, okay? I hope you study these questions good before doing your quiz on Google Forms. I will check it today night. I will grade it. If you have any problem, let me know. Have a good night. Have a good day, sorry. Bye.